two, hut two, three, four, hut two, hut two, three, four, hut two, hut two, three. Company B. And when he played his boogie woogie bugle, he was busy as a busy bee. And when he played, he made the country drop into the bar. He's the boogie woogie bugle boy of Company B. Toodly, toot toot, but I'll say to the bar. He can't blow down his bass and guitar, play with him. And the company drops on him his reveille. He's the boogie woogie bugle boy of Company B. Wakes him up the same way in the early bride. Clap your hands and stamp your feet, cause he knows when he blows a countdown to the beat. Oh, oh, wakes him up when he plays reveille. The boogie woogie bugle boy of Company B. A root, a toot, a toolie, a toot, a toot, 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 A to the bar, he